Hey Clayton, wanna go do some homework?
Sure, I'll be right there. We know as well as anyone that missing your alarm in the morning can carry serious consequences. Missing a class, an important meeting for work, or being late for your obligations adds unnecessary stress. We set out to alleviate that. Through electrical and mechanical engineering principles, we constructed an alarm consisting of an Arduino, a breadboard, a ping sensor, a force sensor, piezo speakers, and a fan to drive our oil diffuser. Approximately 20 minutes before the alarm sounds, the paired oil diffuser begins releasing all-natural peppermint oil to stimulate your brain. When it's time to wake up, our piezo speakers will begin sounding. If the first alarm fails to wake you up, our force sensor placed underneath your pillow and ping sensor pointed at your head begin detecting if you are still in bed. The second alarm will sound until the sensors detect that you are no longer in bed and ready to face your morning. Our alarm ensures that your process of waking up is more pleasant, less stressful, and always reliable.